Assalamu alaikum guys, this is another video about Arcgis. I'm already said this is a basic tutorial for the beginner students. 3, 4, 5 video introductions about Arcgis. Here how to add map or files. First of all, you click on this sign, this tool, add. It's okay. Means I am add to KPK shapefile. Here automatically add a file map. It's okay. After that, here is about zooming, and just click on, and here about zooming. Zoom in and minus sign about zoom out, and click zoom out. This means pen. You click on pen, you drag map one corner to another corner. It's easily okay. This is a full extension. You click sign. This is a full extension. The full extension means zoom to the full extensions to the map. By default, this is the extent of all the data in active data frame. To customize view full extent text, choose a view data frames. You click on full extent, it automatically show on full extent. That's okay. Here the fixed zoom in and fixed zoom out, and go back tool. This is a main important tool about selection features. If you click on selection feature and you select all the map, you show it's the selection features, and clear the select feature. It's already selected feature who deactive means and deselector. Clear the selections feature, click on this tools. Okay, this is the select element. ये तो simply select element है. By default this sign is active. After that, this is the identify about this map. You click on identify. This is the identification about the KPK map. That's all the identification. It's okay. You show on the polygon, shape font, length, province, objective. It's all about the location. It's all about identifications. It's okay. Today for enough about this tool. Wait for another video. Introductions, Arcgis tutorial 3. It's okay. Thank you.